Hi kiddos, we're going to do calendar together today. So let's get started. First, can you find for me on the screen the orange star? The orange star is on the number 14 because today is the 14th day of October. Now, what do you notice on the 2 days after the 14th? So what do you notice on the 15th and on the 16th? We have some leaves on those days, and underneath the leaves it says fall break. So do you know what that means? You do not have school tomorrow on October 15th or Friday, October 16th. You have no school. You do not have online virtual instruction. You do not have Canvas. You are free on October 15th and October 16th. There's no school. It is fall break. Just wanted to clarify that before we continue. Okay. Oops, let me move my face. Okay, so today's date is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Can you say that for me? Perfect. Now let's say it together. Today's date is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. All right, so now I'm going to move down to the green box. The green box says today is. Can you remind me what day is it today? Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to put Wednesday in the green box. Now let's move up to the pink box. The pink box says yesterday was. If today is Wednesday, then what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday, so I'm going to put Tuesday in the pink box. All right, now let's move down to the blue box. The blue box says tomorrow will be. If today is Wednesday, then that means that tomorrow will be Thursday. So I'm going to put Thursday in the blue box. All right, kiddos, I'm going to read it all together, and then I would love it if you read along with me. So I start up at the top. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Now let's say it together. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. High five. You did a great job. And tomorrow it's Thursday. What do we have tomorrow? No school because it is fall break tomorrow. Now let's move on to the weather. The forecast for today is cloudy. Can you take a look for me outside and tell me, is it cloudy today? Now that you're back, let's move on to the temperature. The temperature for today is 73 degrees. So now let's move on to the red line. Our red line is still kind of big, but it is definitely getting smaller. So that means it is getting cooler outside. Why is it getting cooler outside? Because it is fall now. I wonder how cold it's going to be like next week. I wonder if it's really going to start getting cold. I cannot wait and see. Now, which row am I going to add a rectangle to today? The cloudy row. All right, let's count how many cloudy days we have had in October so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have had 4 cloudy days in October so far. How many more cloudy days have we had than rainy days? Let's count the blanks. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. We have had 3 more cloudy days in October than rainy days. Now let's move on to the number of days in school. We are counting by tens. And then when we get down to this 10 frame, we're going to count by ones since it is not a full 10 frame yet. So we're going to start up at the top. We are going to do it twice. Are you ready? Let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We have had 45 amazing days together in school. That makes me so happy. All right, let's count together one more time. We're starting up at the top. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We have had 45 days of school so far. Let's count how many more days of school we need to have until we can fill up 5 10 frames. Let's count the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 more days of happy school together, we will have filled up 5 10 frames. That makes me very happy. So now let's move on to patterns. We do not have any patterns to solve today because I wanted to keep the calendar shorter today since tomorrow is fall break. But I would love it if you could make for me, between fall break and this weekend, 3 patterns that someone in your house has to solve. You can use shapes for your patterns, you can use colors for your patterns, letters, numbers, anything you want. You can use anything that you would like to make your patterns, but I would love it if you can try to make 3 patterns for someone to solve. Do you think we can do that? You guys are so super duper smart. I know that you guys can definitely do this. All right, kiddos, I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day and a lovely fall break and weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, kiddos.